walking back here to meet Robert. Oh, I think that was a frog, but I can't swear to it. Hi there, Shady. Might not have, yeah, it is. Look, you guys. There's a frog in there. Okay, Shady, you can't lay down in front of me, baby. This is actually the easier route to take. Even though it is a hell of a hill. See, it goes all the way from there. I have a cooler with me. Oh, it's got in its 2 waters and ice. You guys, let me pause this and breathe. Anyway, this is the trail where things jump around in woods. And naturally, I'm up here by myself. Well, not counting Shady. But I got this feeling that cats are not real good protectors. If I need protected in these woods, then that's sad. Been here 7 years. And everything here knows that we mean it no harm. You watch. I bet he's working his way up to the house. And I'll have walked down here by myself and have to walk right back. I'm walking as fast as I can. Jeez or peas. He told me to wait a while, so I did. Gave him time to mow. She's still coming. Hope she turns around. He's not worried about her. Look at her. But I am. I worry about her. I heard something in there. Shady, honey, you're going to have to move and not trip me. I'm going to have to take this flannel shirt off. Did I tell you guys that our central air and heat system that we bought new, supposedly from Peter's Heating and Cooling, let me start this video over.